Nestled in the heart of Zhejiang Province, Wuzhen Ancient Town is a living tapestry of China's rich past. With more than 1,000 years of history, this water town stands as a tranquil witness to the rise and fall of dynasties, the evolution of culture, and the quiet persistence of traditional life. Today, we invite you on a journey through the narrow alleys, stone bridges, and peaceful canals of Wuzhen. A place where time seems to slow down and the old world breathes softly through every wooden beam and flowing river. Wuzhen lies in the northern part of Zhejiang, along the gentle banks of the Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal. This strategic location has shaped its destiny as a vital waterborne trade hub since ancient times. The town is laced with a network of canals, giving it the name Venice of the East. Mist rises in the early morning, drifting over the calm waters, while willow trees dance in the breeze, painting a perfect picture of harmony between man and nature. As we meander through the town, it's impossible not to be captivated by its architecture. Traditional wooden houses with black-tiled roofs stand shoulder to shoulder along the waterways. These buildings, some dating back hundreds of years, are fine examples of Zhangnan-style architecture. The whitewashed walls and intricate lattice windows tell stories of artisanship passed down through generations. Stone arch bridges connect the quarters of the town, each with its own legend, each adding to Wuzhen's enchanting character. Wuzhen's origins can be traced back over 1,300 years to the Tang dynasty. Over the centuries, it flourished as a commercial and cultural center. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, it reached its peak, becoming a bustling town known for its weaving industry and scholarly achievements. Even today, ancient stone slabs bear the imprint of countless footsteps, echoing with whispers of merchants, poets, and philosophers who once called Wuzhen home. What makes Wuzhen truly special isn't just its scenery. It's the people who continue to live and work here. Elderly women sit by the water's edge, deftly weaving handmade shoes or preparing herbal medicines. Local craftsmen still operate traditional indigo dye workshops. Their hands stain the color of deep midnight. Children dart across bridges while vendors call out along the narrow streets. Life here unfolds slowly, rhythmically, in tune with nature and tradition. Wuzhen's soul shines brightest during its festivals. The Chinese New Year is celebrated with lantern-lit processions and dragon dances that light up the town with joy. But perhaps the most iconic event is the Wuzhen Theater Festival, a world-renowned cultural gathering that blends ancient settings with contemporary performing arts. For a few magical days each year, Wuzhen becomes a stage for creativity, dialogue, and global exchange, all under the shadow of its ancient rooftops. No visit to Wuzhen is complete without indulging in its local delicacies. The town's cuisine is deeply rooted in regional flavors, simple yet unforgettable. You'll find savory dishes like braised mutton, soy sauce duck, and Wuzhen-style steamed buns. One must try is the white waterfish, freshly caught and seasoned with light soy and ginger. For those with a sweet tooth, glutinous rice cakes and osmanthus-scented desserts are a must. Each bite carries the taste of home and history. In recent years, Wuzhen has become a haven for travelers seeking a break from the modern world. Carefully planned walking routes take you through east and west scenic areas, each offering unique experiences. From nighttime boat rides under lantern-lit bridges to interactive museums showcasing silk weaving and wood carving, every moment here is a journey into the past. Photographers, poets, and curious souls all find something magical in Wuzhen's serene beauty. While Wuzhen embraces tourism, it has never sacrificed its authenticity. Thanks to thoughtful preservation efforts, the town retains its ancient charm while seamlessly integrating modern conveniences. Sustainable tourism practices ensure that the delicate balance between heritage and development is maintained. This blend of past and present makes Wuzhen a model for cultural conservation in a rapidly changing world. Wuzhen is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a memory, a timeless connection to China's soul. It reminds us that tradition and progress can walk hand in hand, that beauty can be found in quiet corners, and that the past still has much to teach us. Whether you come for a weekend or a single day, Wuzhen will leave an imprint on your heart. Soft, steady, unforgettable. So come, let your footsteps echo on the ancient stones. Let the water whisper stories of long ago. In Wuzhen, time doesn't stand still. It flows gently, like the canals that have shaped this beautiful, enduring town.